Every 16 days, a powerful signal travels across half a billion light years of space and hits Earth. Scientists have studied it, tracked it, analyzed it, and yet no one knows why it's happening, what it is, or who might be behind it. This is the true story of one of the universe's strangest mysteries, the repeating radio signal from deep space. In 2020, scientists working with the CHIME telescope in Canada, short for Canadian Hydrogen Intensity Mapping Experiment, detected something strange. They were scanning the sky for fast radio bursts or FRBs. These are incredibly short, intense blasts of radio waves coming from outside our galaxy. Most FRBs last just a few milliseconds. Some have been traced back to distant galaxies, but they are usually one-time events. But then something different appeared. A burst came in, then another, and then another every 16.35 days. A repeating pattern for the first time ever. Fast radio bursts are incredibly energetic. In just a few milliseconds, a single FRB can release more energy than our sun does in 3 days. Scientists still don't fully understand what causes them. Some possible explanations include magnetars, ultra-powerful neutron stars with intense magnetic fields, colliding neutron stars, black hole interactions, even advanced alien civilizations using high-powered transmitters. Most FRBs are random and unpredictable. That's what makes this repeating signal so unique. Nature doesn't usually follow a clock, especially not in deep space. So what could possibly cause a signal that acts like it's scheduled? Let's dive into the theories. There are 3 major scientific ideas about what might be behind this repeating FRB. Theory number 1. A rotating neutron star in a binary system. Imagine a dead star the size of a city, but heavier than our sun, locked in an orbit with another massive object, like a black hole. As it spins and orbits, it might beam radio energy in our direction every 16 days, depending on how it's tilted. It's kind of like a cosmic lighthouse. But there's a problem with this theory. The signal isn't always identical. Sometimes it's stronger, sometimes weaker, and that raises new questions. Theory number 2. Starquakes or magnetar flares. Another idea is that a magnetar, a type of a neutron star with extreme magnetic energy, is having regular magnetic earthquakes, releasing bursts in a semi-predictable way. But magnetars usually aren't that regular. This one is on a tight 16-day loop. Again, weird. Theory number 3. Artificial origin. Now here's where it gets interesting. Some scientists have asked the question, what if the signal isn't natural at all? What if it's artificial? What if an intelligent civilization, perhaps one that lives in that galaxy 500 million light years away, is sending out regular pulses, maybe to communicate, maybe to signal, maybe not to us at all, but to someone or something else? Of course, there's no evidence of aliens here, but when something breaks the laws of what we expect from the universe, it opens the door to all kinds of possibilities. This isn't just a cosmic curiosity. FRB 180916 is changing how we think about space communication, physics, and the limits of what stars can do. Scientists are now using AI to track repeating FRBs, searching thousands of galaxies for patterns we might have missed before. More repeating FRBs have since been found, but this one, with its precise 16-day cycle, remains the most puzzling. If we can understand what causes this, it might unlock new models of how stars evolve, how matter and magnetism work under extreme conditions, or even a deeper understanding of how to search for intelligent life. Because here's the thing, if there is something out there intentionally transmitting, this might be the first breadcrumb. Every 16 days, like clockwork, the universe sends us a whisper, a message, a pulse from half a billion light years away. And we still don't know why. Is it a cosmic coincidence, a dying star's final rhythm, or something or someone trying to reach out? Until we find the answer, we will keep listening. Because in the silence of space, even a whisper could change everything. Want more deep space mysteries? Then don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. Until next time.